guys, welcome to Ellen L Kitchen. Elena and Elsa here. What are you doing?
Buenos días, señorita. Habla español usted?
Usted no.
You.
Me e ti?
No.
E me?
Lo
Marco.
faccio.
Me? Parlo solo venezziano.
Anche avisa.
E un poquito di English.
Un poquito?
Poquito.
Poquito.
E ti?
Mi parlo français.
When?
Toujours.
Bonjour. When you
Toujours.
Ah bon?
Et puis parle in German. Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Me no, e ti?
Yes.
Oh.
A little bit. Nur ein wenig. And so,
What?
goodbye.
Keep going what? What are you doing with that?
Nacchere. To make sound and sing.
Just to make a mess and make noise.
Oh. No.
What are you singing?
I sing Granada, la 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 la
Please, enough.
la la.
So why are you all Spanish today?
Because we will cook
A chook!
no, we'll cook pollo,
Chook.
Chaco chicken,
No, choco.
no chaco chicken,
No.
pollo alla
Allora?
spagnola.
Ah!
So,
Habla spagnolo?
no,
Mi manco, allora?
andiamo avanti. Keep going.
Ingredients.
Ingredients.
Okay. Okay guys, we're back here with the ingredients for our pollo alla spagnola.
Yes. Please.
So we got something like a kilo of chicken thighs with the skin on.
It's important, the skin. It's very important.
Then we have 100 grams of plain flour that we're gonna use to batter the chicken in. We have I cut 4 brown onion sliced. Wow. What is it?
No, good.
Then we have saffron,
Saffron.
pure saffron. It costs a bomb, this thing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like gold. Then we have marsala.
Demi-sec.
Eh?
Demi-sec.
Wait, in language are you speaking?
En français.
Are you speaking in English?
Yes, but in English I don't know.
Both.
Half dry.
Half dry wine, marsala wine.
Yes.
Then we will need the broth.
Bro.
How much broth?
Mezzo litro.
Half a liter. Of
Beef.
beef or chicken?
Beef.
Are you cooking chicken?
Yes, I know, but the
Taste.
the taste deve essere strong.
Strong taste.
And fresh basil, Continental basil.
Continental.
Not basil. Basil. Parsley.
Continental pasta.
Continental parsley.
Salt, pepper,
Salt, pepper,
And-
butter.
butter. How
Oil.
much? 50 grams of
Yes,
butter.
yes.
And oil.
And oil.
3 tablespoons. Tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
Three
of
tablespoons.
oil. Can we start cooking?
Yes,
That's it.
yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay, so we're gonna start with the butter and with 3 tablespoons of oil, and we're gonna quickly fry up the onions. I can just put them in straight away. And in the meantime, we're gonna start combining the chicken with the
Flour.
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 With the flour. So we're gonna leave the onions now. Okay, so first we're going to dry up a little bit the chicken because you know, we don't want it to be too wet. Yes, we do want the flours to stick, but you know, it needs to be a thin layer. We don't want to have a too thick coat. And then once we do that for each of the chicken thighs, and then we put it aside. So we put them in a plate here. The chicken is ready, so we're just gonna wait for the onions to be cooked, and then we'll fry them together. What are we doing now? We have a glass of hot water, and we put the saffron in it, and we'll let it rest for how long?
Finché è possibile.
As long as possible. So it will be probably half an hour by the time we...
Yes.
Do we need to stir it?
Yes. Stir.
Are the onions ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them out from the pan, and we're gonna add some more butter, still part of the 50 grams. I think before we put only 25, so we put the other 25 grams of butter. Okay, so we added half of the butter, and we're gonna put, now that it's melted, we're gonna put the chicken in
this way.
so with the skin down
Yeah.
to cook first. Okay, after a few minutes we're gonna start. It looks like the chicken is brown. This probably needs to wait. This one looks good. So we can start turning them. This is too early. A little bit more. So we can start turning them around. Okay, now we're gonna turn the other one. So it should be ready. Okay, so we're gonna put the skin back down again. And now we're gonna put the wine. Yes, there you go. I'm gonna turn them around now, so both sides of the chicken are gonna get the wine. Even if it's gonna evaporate now very quickly, see that it's almost disappearing. And while it's still evaporating, we add the onion. We'll just combine and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So now we're gonna add the glass with the saffron in it. We're gonna add it. We're gonna add the stock pot. So we're gonna add some more water. So then will be 2 glasses of water. So it's around 500 milliliters. We're gonna let it cook for how long? Okay, 15-20 minutes. Salt.
You have to cover
With the lid and let it simmer. And at the same time, we're gonna cook some basmati rice that we're gonna use to eat together with the chicken. Okay, every now and then you just wanna check that there's still enough water in the pan, and you just shake it a little bit to ensure that the chicken is not gonna stick to the pan. That's it. We have enough water, so I'm just gonna close it up again and let it simmer. So, Mom, do we need to check if the chicken is ready?
Yes.
How do we do that?
Con lo stuzzicadenti.
So we get a big toothpick and we check if water comes out. Is that how you check it?
Yes. Check too.
Okay. Okay, let's try. Mom, how is that looking?
Good.
Is it ready?
I think so.
Good. So we can just plate it up.
Yes.
The chicken is ready.
Now,
Buon appetito!